Life is a journey filled with ups and downs. We all experience moments of joy and times of sadness. But what if we could choose to live in a happier state, regardless of external circumstances? This is the power of transforming ourselves from within. Happiness is not something we find, it's something we cultivate. It's about shifting our perspective, embracing gratitude, and finding joy in the everyday. When we focus on the positive, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. Transforming into a happy state is a conscious decision. It's about letting go of negativity and choosing to focus on the good. It's about embracing our authentic selves and living a life that aligns with our values. Happiness isn't just a fleeting feeling. It has a profound impact on our physical and mental health. When we experience joy, our brains release serotonin, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating mood, sleep, and appetite. Serotonin is like a natural mood booster, helping to combat feelings of depression and anxiety. Studies have shown that people with higher levels of serotonin tend to be more optimistic, resilient, and better able to cope with stress. By cultivating happiness, we're essentially giving our brains a healthy dose of serotonin, which in turn improves our overall well-being. When we feel good on the inside, it shows on the outside. We radiate positivity and attract more joy into our lives. One of the most powerful ways to boost our own happiness is to spread it to others. When we engage in acts of kindness, whether big or small, we create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond ourselves. Volunteering our time, donating to a worthy cause, or simply lending a helping hand to someone in need are all wonderful ways to make a difference in the world and experience the joy of giving. When we focus on helping others, we shift our attention away from our own problems and tap into a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. Kindness is contagious, and by spreading it around, we create a more compassionate and joyful world for everyone. Our connection to nature is deeply intertwined with our well-being. Spending time outdoors, breathing in fresh air, and appreciating the beauty of the natural world has a profound impact on our mental and emotional state. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, and boost creativity. Whether it's taking a walk in the park, gardening, or simply sitting under a tree, connecting with nature is a powerful way to nurture our souls. Caring for the planet is also essential for our own happiness and the well-being of future generations. By making sustainable choices, reducing our environmental impact, and advocating for the protection of our planet, we contribute to a healthier and happier world for all. In Section 5, the ripple effect. Happiness is contagious. Have you ever noticed how being around happy people can instantly lift your own mood? It's almost like their joy is infectious, spreading from one person to another. Happiness is contagious and it spreads like wildfire. A simple smile or a kind gesture can set off a chain reaction of positivity. When we surround ourselves with positive, uplifting individuals, their energy rubs off on us. Their laughter, their optimism, and their zest for life can transform our own outlook. Just as negativity can bring us down, positivity has the power to uplift and inspire. It's like a breath of fresh air that revitalizes our spirit. When we choose to be happy, we become beacons of light, radiating joy and inspiring others to do the same. Our happiness can illuminate even the darkest of days for someone else. Imagine a world where everyone strives to spread happiness and kindness, a world where every interaction is filled with warmth and compassion. It might seem like a utopian dream, but it all starts with each one of us making a conscious effort to be the change we want to see in the world. By choosing happiness, we can create a ripple effect that touches countless lives, making the world a brighter place for everyone. Section 6. Raising happy children in a happy world. As parents, educators, and caregivers, we have a responsibility to nurture the next generation's happiness and well-being. Children are like sponges, absorbing the energy and emotions of the adults around them. When we create a loving, supportive, and joyful environment for children to thrive in, we equip them with the tools they need to navigate life's challenges with resilience and optimism. Teaching children about the importance of kindness, empathy, and gratitude from a young age helps them develop into compassionate and well-rounded individuals. By fostering their emotional intelligence, we empower them to lead happy and fulfilling lives. Section 7. Breaking free from negativity's grip. Negativity is like a heavy cloak that weighs us down, preventing us from experiencing the fullness of life. It's easy to get caught up in a cycle of negative thinking, especially when life throws us curveballs. However, we have the power to break free from negativity's grip and choose a more positive outlook. It starts with becoming aware of our thoughts and challenging negative self-talk. Instead of dwelling on the negative, let's train our minds to focus on the good. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to negativity. When we appreciate the good in our lives, no matter how small, it shifts our perspective and opens our hearts to more joy. Section 8. Finding joy in the everyday. Happiness isn't about waiting for grand gestures or extraordinary experiences. It's about finding joy in the everyday moments. It's about savoring a cup of coffee, appreciating the warmth of the sun on our skin, or sharing a laugh with a loved one. When we slow down, pay attention, and appreciate the simple things, we open ourselves up to a world of beauty and wonder that we may have otherwise missed. Life is a collection of moments, and each one is an opportunity to experience joy. Let's make a conscious effort to find something to be grateful for in every single day, no matter how challenging it may seem. Section 9. Embracing the journey, not just the destination. In our pursuit of happiness, it's easy to get caught up in the idea of reaching a final destination. We often think that once we achieve a certain goal, acquire a specific item, or reach a particular milestone, we will finally be happy. But true happiness isn't a destination, it's a journey. It's about the experiences we gather along the way, the memories we create, and the lessons we learn. It's about embracing the ups and downs, the challenges and triumphs, and finding joy in the process of growth and evolution. Each step we take, each obstacle we overcome, adds to the richness of our lives. When we let go of the need to control everything and surrender to the flow of life, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We begin to see beauty in the unexpected and find strength in our vulnerabilities. Every experience, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become the best versions of ourselves. These moments shape us, mold us, and help us discover who we truly are. Let's embrace the journey with open hearts and minds, knowing that true happiness lies in the present moment. By appreciating the here and now, we can find contentment and joy in the simplest of things, making our journey through life a truly fulfilling adventure. Section 10. A call to action. Choose happiness, choose love. Transforming into a happy state is a choice, a commitment we make to ourselves and to the world around us. It's a conscious decision to embrace positivity and let go of the things that weigh us down. Every day we are presented with countless opportunities to choose happiness, to find joy in the little things, and to spread that joy to others. It's about cultivating joy from within and spreading it outward through acts of kindness, compassion, and love. When we help others, we not only lift their spirits, but also elevate our own. Simple gestures like a smile or a kind word can have a profound impact on someone's day and create a ripple effect of positivity. When we choose happiness, we choose to see the good, to focus on the positive, and to live in a state of gratitude. Gratitude helps us appreciate what we have rather than focusing on what we lack. It shifts our perspective and allows us to see the beauty in everyday moments, no matter how small. We choose to break free from negativity's grip and embrace the beauty of the present moment. Negativity can be a heavy burden, but by consciously deciding to let it go, we free ourselves to experience life more fully and joyfully. Embracing the present moment means being mindful and fully engaged in whatever we are doing, finding peace and contentment in the here and now. Let's join hands and create a world where happiness is the norm, where kindness is our compass, and where love knows no bounds. Together, we can build a community that values and prioritizes the well-being of every individual. By supporting each other and working towards common goals, we can create a more harmonious and loving world. The power to transform ourselves and the world around us lies within each one of us. Each small action we take, each positive choice we make, contributes to a larger movement of change. We have the ability to inspire others and to be a beacon of light in a sometimes dark world. Choose happiness, choose love, and watch the world transform before your very eyes. By making these choices, we not only improve our own lives, but also create a ripple effect that touches everyone around us. Let's commit to this journey together and see the incredible impact we can make.